Hi, we will teach you how to make a volcano erupt. Our ingredients for this experiment are vinegar, a little bit of dishwashing liquid, baking soda, and a few drops of food color, red preferably. First, we will add the vinegar to the mouth of the volcano. Remember to ask for adult supervision. Fill it at least halfway depending on the size of your volcano. Next, you will add a little dishwashing liquid. Okay. And a few drops of red food coloring to give that lava red color. Enough! Do you want to add more vinegar?
Yeah, add more vinegar. Okay. Now.
And next, the magic dust.
Wait lang. I need some paper.
Make sure to have towels. And
an article.
Watch your vinegar, your volcano erupt.
Hello, lagot ka.
You may add more vinegar if you want. What's your name, little girl?
Nanaya.
Emma!
There! Wow! It's red. Okay.
Why aren't going here?
Because it's tilted eh.
It's a boy band. One Direction. There you go. Now take a bow, little miss.
Ang volcano bow. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Are you happy?
It's nice here. It's ruined. Hinaya na siguro.
Post it on
Oh.
Facebook.
Now you can just let it dry if you want to do it all over again. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Bye, guys.
Bye!